not good. Let's go get a closer look here. Hello. You the driver?
No, no. Let's go over there.
You all right?
Yes, sir. I don't know what happened. I had a high hook, then I pulled forward. It locked back in. I did the check. It was good. It was flush, and then
Okay.
I slid the tandems, and
Because that's what they told me, was that it was a high hook.
yeah, it was like, but I locked it back, and then I slid the tandems and everything, because the tandems be all the way to the back, so I put them to the front.
Yeah, you're going to need to probably have your fifth wheel checked.
I thought the fifth wheel had broke at first. The way it pulled, I'm like,
Yeah, that's what I hear. And they don't give us much to lift off of on these things. The chassis is just there to hold the thing in place. Does Schneider know that it is not just a high hook now? Do they know that it's turned into this?
yeah, they know it's on the tire.
Okay, all right.
I told them,
Because the gentleman that called me said that it was just a high hook. We just need to lift it and you get out from under it and then re-hook. But
No, no, you're right. You keep doing what you're doing.
all right, that thing is not. That's not solid enough to lift off of. And unfortunately, the pin is in there.
what you thinking?
Ah, that's what I'm trying to come up with a plan right now.
You have straps, like, huh?
Do what, sir?
You had like the strap that wrap around it? Like the straps.
Well, yeah, but the problem is there's nothing up here to grab a hold of. Normally on a regular frame trailer, there's hole hooks in the front that you can just grab chains in, and you can lift the front of it. No worries.
The top of the box got these.
The top of the box has these, but that's not ideal. I can do it, but it's not ideal because I have to climb up to be able to hook it. I mean, I can do it from the bottom though, and run a strap up. That's probably, the further back I go though, the less leverage I have. How heavy is it? What?
21.
It's only 21.
Oh, okay. All right.
It's only baby weight.
Okay. That doesn't concern me then. All right, I'm good. For those of you wondering, yes, this thing has a backup beeper. I don't always do the 3 toots of the horn if there's clearly nobody around in the danger area. And that's what the backup alarm's for anyway. I'll raise it all the way up here in a minute. But if I raise it up before I get my remote out, I'm too short.
Yep.
Nah, I think I got her.
You want to do the other side or?
Yeah.
I thought it was going to go on the side for a second.
Yeah, that would have been scary.
Yeah, it was.
Would have been scary.
Like, tell them supposed to move like that.
Oh. All right. There are other ways to rig this, I know. Go get my remote. Really rather use one of these, but I don't like these clevises, the little clevises. Just don't. Let's see, the working load limit. Let's see what they are. 7 tons. Well, it would work. It would work, and it would fit up in that pocket without risking the strap cutting. And yes, they do make special tools for the containers. There we go. make sure I got everything on free spool. Don't think I did. Nope, I didn't. Good deal. Glad I checked.
Digital like that.
Do what, sir?
When they went digital like that.
We got this in 2015.
Oh yeah?
Yes, sir. They've come even further than that now.
That's some good technology though.
Oh man, it's amazing. It's amazing. Darn it, are you kidding me? Ah, that cable twisted. Come on, you. Come on, you. There you go. Hold on. Yeah, I was gonna say don't.
No, I ain't going nowhere. Get ready.
All right, go. I know there are other ways to do it, like I said, but as always, there are multiple ways to reach 10, but this worked. It worked well. It just takes longer to set up and do the rigging. But preparation is the key. If it had been heavier, I would have done something different. Some people have commented on the increased noise level. I think it's simply because I'm using the high idle function. I've got the rabbit instead of the turtle, so I'm actually manipulating things faster and the engine is running faster. Last couple of videos I've done that. I don't always do it, but on lighter loads, I'll use higher speed. Doesn't bother anything. Right now, I just want to get out of their way so they can get this trailer hooked. You good, my friend?
Yeah. Just a quick bus wrap bent and a pole bent. Tires are good. I'm doing another step and I roll forward and then the part that fell on is good. They get out pressure and the airbag good. Should be alright.
Good deal.
Thank you, man.
Yes, sir. Glad you're all right. That's the main thing. All right, get this all stowed. See, you can tell I've got the winches on high speed. The engine's also on high idle. That may be what you guys are hearing through the camera. I don't know. Either way, there's nothing wrong. All is well with my baby. Trying to do too many functions at once. I was trying to go in with the boom, down with the boom, and up with both winches all at the same time. Now that everything's stowed, don't forget to put it back down on low idle. You hear it slow down, everything quieted down a bit. Notice he's trying to get as square up with it as he can. Okay. See, why couldn't me lifting it be that easy? Wish I could have lifted it that easy. All right, man, you have a good night.
Oh, we said them all.
All right. Oh, he's just gonna go straight back into the parking space with it. There it is. Waiting on a different driver, I'm sure. Yes, sir. Thank you.